So we are going to understand the nested for. Next thing is what is a nested for. So what is the goal of the nested for? The for declared inside the another for loop for is nothing but the nested for. So you can simply say a for inside another for is nothing but the nested for. What is the use of that? So in so many interviewers will ask the programs to write in a nested for only, because so many problems will be solved using the nested for. So it is very important. You can write any number of fors. For example, there is a for, inside that another for is there, inside that particular for loop another for loop is there. There are so many for loops will be there. According to the user's purpose, he or she will write the for loop. Okay, now we are going to understand a small program. So for example, I already written to reduce the time. I already written to written this particular program to reduce the time. So I want to demonstrate to you regarding. So if anybody enter two numbers, for example, enter n and m. I am going to take two values, that is n and m. If you enter two values like n value 3 and m value 3, then the output must be 1 1 1 2 1 3, like this. 2 1 2 2 2 3, then 3 1 3 2 3 3. That means this 3 will repeats. So 3 first time 1 is going to be repeat 3 times, 1 1 1 2 1 3, like this type of pattern will come using a program like this. If you use the nested for loop, then only you can solve this particular issue. So let us analyze this particular program to get this particular same output. So what is that? Let us go and understand that. First we take in the four variables. First, n is one variable, take some address is 100, and m is some variable, take the address is some 102, and I and j is for iterations. Okay, now I am asking the end user enter n and m, enter n and m. Now he is going to be enter two numbers, that is 3 and 3. So first 3 is stored in the address of n, first 3 is stored in address of m, and second 3 is stored in address of m. Okay, I am going to enter. You can enter any numbers. Okay, any kind of numbers. I am going to explain this pattern now. Okay, now right now n consisting of 3 and m consisting of 3. Now see here. After that, this is the logic. So this is the logic. This is the for loop. This is a for loop. We return this particular for loop. For loop inside there is another for loop is there. Another for loop is there. What is the purpose of that? So let us execute the first for loop. This is the for loop. I equals to 1. Right here, I equals to 1. Then it comes here. I less than or equals to n. 1 less than or equals to, what is the n value? 3. 1 less than or equals to 3 is right. It comes inside. Now again this is the statement. This statement is a for loop. So this for loop once starts, j equals to 1, right? J equals to 1. It comes j less than or equals to m, because it is a column. N represent row and m represent column. So j less than or equals to m. 1, j value is 1, less than or equals to m means 3. It is right. Now it comes inside and it is going to be displayed this particular statement. This particular statement. What is the statement? Percentage d space percentage d. Okay, in this particular I value is displayed in this particular percentage d, and j value is going to be displayed in this particular percentage d. What is the value? See here, I value is 1, I value is 1, and j value is also 1. So this particular 1 1 is going to be displayed. So after that it will move to j plus plus. J plus plus. Sorry, here we need to put slash n. Okay, j plus plus. J plus plus means j will becomes 2. Now it comes here. Now 2 less than or equal, because we know that until and unless the condition is satisfied, it is going to be executed. 2 less than or equals to 2 less than or equals to, what is m value? 3. 2 less than or equals to 3 is right. Once again it is coming. Okay, now see here, I and j we are printing. What is the I value? I value is basically in 1 because it is in outer loop. 1 and j value is 2. So what is the output? 1, 2 is going to be displayed because I value is 1, j value is 2. That is the output. Next, once again, j plus plus, j becomes 3. Now 3 less than or equals to, what is m value? 3. 3 less than or equals to 3 is right now. It comes inside and displays I, j. What is I value? 1 only. What is j value? 3. So 1, 3 is going to be displayed. Now j value is going to be incremented. J becomes 4. 4 less than or equals to 3. M means 3. It is false. So it is come outside of the loop. Printf slash n, 1 line extra. Now after that, after this statement, it will be, outer loop will be incremented because inner loop will be exited because the condition is not satisfied. It comes outside of the loop. Slash n, new line will be printed. Now I plus plus means, what is the previous value of I? Is 1. Now I becomes 2. I becomes 2. I will write here. I becomes 2. So it comes after I plus plus, it comes here. 2 less than or equals to, what is n value? 3. 2 less than or equals to 3 is right. Okay. Next, after that, once again this for loop is a statement. So this for loop is a statement. So it is going to be executed from starting onwards. That means j will be initialized once again. J equals to 1. It will come here. J less than or equals to m. That means 1 less than or equals to 3. M value is 3. 1 less than or equals to 3 is right. So it comes inside of the inner for loop. Now what is the I and j value? What is I value? I value is 2. And what is the j value? 1. Okay. What is j value? 1. So 2, 1 is the output. Now j will be incremented. J plus plus. So j becomes 2. 2 less than or equals to m. M is 3. 2 less than or equals to 3. Right. So it comes inside. I, j will be displayed. What is the I value? I value becomes 2 only. J becomes 2. So output is 2, 2. Now once again j plus plus. J becomes 3. Here I am writing. J becomes 3. 3 less than or equals to, what is m value? 3. 3 less than or equals 3, right. Come inside. And I value is 2 only. J value is 3. So that means 2, 3 will be displayed. Okay. Next, j plus plus. J equals to 4. 4 less than or equals to 3 is wrong. It comes outside of this. And printf slash n means new line will be, once again one line will be printed. After that, what happened? Because j values, this condition is false, so it comes outside. New line is printed. Then I becomes 3. So let us, I will rub this particular content now. Okay, for I. Okay, please write that particular. Please stop that and please write the analysis. Then I will write here. I will write the analysis part once again. From where? From I equals to 3. From I equals to 3 onwards. So let us go and understand. So now I becomes 3. I will write I becomes 3. 3 less than or equals to 3. Right. Come inside. Now once again j will be performed from 1. J equals to 1. 1 less than or equals to m means 3. 1 less than or equals to 3 is right. It comes inside. It will be displayed. I is 3. J is 1. 3, 1 will be displayed. Next, j plus plus. J becomes 2. Okay. 2 less than or equals to 3 is right. So it displays 3, 2. 3, 2 will be displayed. Next, j plus plus, j equals to 3. 3 less than or equals to 3, right. So it displays I3, J3. Now J becomes 4, J becomes 4, 4 less than or equals to 3, it is wrong, it comes outside of the loop, printf, new line will become, next I plus plus, I becomes, what is the previous value? 3, I becomes 4, 4 less than or equals to, what is n value? 3, it is wrong, so it is directly come out of the loop. So this is the output. Okay.